How to remove header in Excel sheet. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove the header. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Excel file where you have the header. So if I just go ahead and go to the print option by pressing Ctrl+P, as you can see there is this header right here with page number and prepared by. But what you can do here in order to remove this is go back. And then from here, you just want to head over to the page layout option right here on top. From home to page layout, here you'll find the size option. Click on this drop down and then go to more paper sizes. And right here, you'll find different tabs up top. Just go to header and footer tab. As you can see, this is the header right now. So what you can do is go to custom header. And then if there is anything here, just go ahead and remove it. Go ahead and remove this as well. So click on backspace and remove this as well. After doing this, press on OK, and now your header is gone. You can do the same for footer. You can just click on this and then select none, and you should be good to go. Don't forget to click on OK. Now if I go back to the print page, as you can see, there is no header here as well as footer. So that's how you basically remove header or footer on the Excel sheet. If this tutorial was helpful to you, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.